We're on the other side of the lake now. We was over there where it's all dried up. This was all water at one time. You couldn't even see the lily pads. This was all water, deep. Now it's, I mean, that's dirt. This was all water. This is like the third river, lake that I seen. There's 3 other ones that I seen not too long ago. There ain't a bit of water in them. The whole thing's empty. It's just a big hole in the ground now. All the water is gone. And now this, you can see way over there, there's hardly any water. Like everything, it's all drying up. Why are they drying up our lakes and making our lakes disappear? Makes you wonder, doesn't it? Unreal. Weather manipulation, geoengineering at its finest. There ain't no such thing as climate change, people. It's your governments changing the climate.